the Red Sea, a name that conjures images of crystal-clear waters, vibrant marine life, and stunning coral reefs. But there's so much more to this body of water, especially along the coast of Sudan. When you hear that name, you probably think of bright coral reefs and amazing sea creatures. And you'd be right. The Red Sea is home to some of the most diverse and colorful marine ecosystems on the planet. The coral reefs here are teeming with life, from tiny, vibrant fish to larger, majestic sea creatures. Along the coast of Sudan, this sea has two really special marine parks: Sanganeb Marine National Park and Dungonab Bay, Mukawa Island Marine National Park. These parks are not just ordinary marine reserves. They are UNESCO World Heritage Sites, recognized for their outstanding universal value. These parks aren't just pretty places to visit, they're important ecosystems full of life. The coral reefs here are some of the most pristine in the world, providing a haven for countless species of fish, invertebrates, and other marine organisms. The biodiversity in these waters is simply astounding. Come with us as we explore these underwater wonderlands and learn why they need our protection. Diving into these waters is like entering another world, where every corner reveals a new and fascinating creature. From the smallest nudibranch to the largest manta ray, the marine life here is both diverse and abundant. These parks are not only beautiful but also super important for a healthy planet. Coral reefs play a crucial role in maintaining the health of our oceans. They act as natural barriers, protecting coastlines from erosion and storm surges. They also provide habitat and nursery grounds for many marine species, supporting fisheries and local economies. They're home to tons of different species, many of which you won't find anywhere else. Some of these species are endemic, meaning they are found only in this region. This makes the conservation of these parks even more critical, as losing them would mean losing unique species forever. Protecting them is really important, not just for the animals that live there, but for the whole ocean. Healthy coral reefs contribute to the overall health of the marine environment. They help to maintain water quality, support marine food webs, and even play a role in carbon sequestration, helping to mitigate climate change. The people of Sudan have a close relationship with the sea, relying on it for their livelihoods and sustenance. Fishing is a major industry here, and the health of the marine environment directly impacts the well-being of local communities. These parks are a source of pride and jobs for many. Ecotourism is growing, with visitors coming from all over the world to experience the natural beauty of Sudan's Red Sea coast. Local guides and tour operators are increasingly focusing on sustainable practices to ensure that tourism benefits both the environment and the community. By learning about and appreciating these natural treasures, we can all help make sure they're protected for future generations. Education and awareness are key to conservation efforts. By understanding the importance of these ecosystems and the threats they face, we can all play a part in preserving them for the future. So, let's dive in and discover the wonders of Sudan's Red Sea treasures together. Imagine a coral reef coming up from the deep ocean, like an island in a big blue desert. This isn't just any coral reef, it's a vibrant living structure teeming with life. The colors are so vivid they almost seem unreal, with shades of blue, green, and even hints of purple. Fish of all shapes and sizes dart in and out of the coral, creating a mesmerizing underwater ballet. The reef itself is a complex maze of nooks and crannies, each one home to different marine creatures. It's a world within a world, hidden beneath the waves, waiting to be discovered. That's Sanganeb Marine National Park, the only atoll in the Red Sea. From above, it looks like a tiny speck in the vast expanse of blue, but up close, it's a bustling ecosystem. The atoll is a ring-shaped coral reef, encircling a lagoon of crystal-clear water. It's a sanctuary for marine life, providing a safe haven for species that are often threatened by human activities. The park is a testament to the beauty and resilience of nature, standing strong in the face of environmental challenges. About 25 kilometers off the Sudanese coast, Sanganeb is an amazing sight. The journey to get there is an adventure in itself, often involving a boat ride over the open sea. As you approach, the atoll rises from the water like a mirage, its coral structures glistening in the sunlight. The surrounding waters are a deep, mesmerizing blue, contrasting sharply with the bright, sandy shores of the atoll. It's a place that feels almost otherworldly, a hidden gem in the middle of the ocean. Its steep sides go down more than 800 meters deep, making a big difference from the shallow turquoise water at the reef's edge. This dramatic drop-off creates a unique environment where deep-sea creatures can coexist with those that prefer shallower waters. Divers often find themselves in awe of the sheer vertical walls of coral, which are home to a myriad of marine species. The contrast between the deep blue of the ocean and the bright turquoise of the reef is a visual feast, a reminder of the incredible diversity of our planet's oceans. On top of this natural wonder is a tall lighthouse, helping ships find their way. The lighthouse stands as a guardian of the atoll, its light piercing through the darkness to guide sailors safely past the reef. It's a symbol of human ingenuity, a beacon of hope in the vast, unpredictable ocean. The lighthouse has witnessed countless sunrises and sunsets, standing tall through storms and calm seas alike. It's a reminder of our enduring connection to the sea, a link between the natural and human worlds. Built over 100 years ago, the lighthouse isn't just for navigation, it's a piece of history, showing human ingenuity and our connection to the sea. Its construction was a remarkable feat, given the challenging conditions of building on a remote coral reef. Over the years, it has become a symbol of resilience and perseverance, standing strong against the elements. The lighthouse has seen the world change around it, yet it remains a steadfast guardian of the atoll, a testament to the enduring spirit of those who built it. Because of its beauty and importance, Sanganeb became a marine national park in 1990. This designation was a crucial step in protecting the atoll's unique ecosystem, ensuring that future generations can continue to marvel at its wonders. The park is a haven for researchers and conservationists who work tirelessly to study and preserve its delicate balance. It's a place where nature thrives, free from the pressures of overfishing and pollution, a sanctuary for both marine life and those who seek to understand it. Then, in 2016, it became a UNESCO World Heritage Site, making it a global treasure that we need to protect. This recognition brought international attention to Sanganeb, highlighting its significance as a natural wonder. The designation has helped to secure funding and support for conservation efforts, ensuring that the atoll remains a pristine environment. It's a reminder of the importance of preserving our planet's natural heritage, a call to action for all of us to protect these irreplaceable treasures for future generations. Under the surface, Sanganeb is incredibly beautiful and full of life. The underwater world here is like a hidden paradise, teeming with vibrant colors and diverse marine species. As you dive deeper, you are greeted by an array of stunning coral formations that seem to stretch endlessly. The sheer variety of life forms and the vividness of the colors make it a truly mesmerizing experience. The park has over 86 kinds of coral, making a rainbow of colors and shapes. Each type of coral has its own unique structure and hue, contributing to the overall beauty of the reef. Some corals are delicate and branching, while others are robust and massive. This diversity not only adds to the visual appeal, but also supports a wide range of marine life. These corals are home to all sorts of sea creatures, making Sanganeb a great place for diving and snorkeling. From tiny, colorful fish darting in and out of the coral branches to larger species that patrol the reef, the underwater ecosystem is bustling with activity. Divers and snorkelers can witness this vibrant community up close, making every dive an adventure. Schools of brightly colored fish swim around the coral, their scales shining in the sunlight. The way the light filters through the water and reflects off the fish creates a dazzling display of colors. It's a sight that captivates and enchants anyone who witnesses it. These fish play a crucial role in the reef's ecosystem, contributing to its health and vitality. Graceful manta rays swim through the deep, their big fins making shadows on the bottom. These majestic creatures glide effortlessly through the water, their movements both powerful and elegant. Observing manta rays in their natural habitat is a highlight for many visitors, as they embody the grace and mystery of the ocean. Sea turtles swim around the reefs, their shells covered in colorful life. These gentle giants are often seen grazing on the algae that grow on the coral, playing a vital role in maintaining the balance of the ecosystem. Their presence is a reminder of the interconnectedness of all life forms in the ocean, and if you're lucky, you might see a shark, an important predator that keeps the underwater ecosystem healthy. Sharks are often misunderstood, but they are essential for the health of the reef. They help control the population of other species, ensuring that no single group dominates the ecosystem. Spotting a shark is a thrilling experience, adding an element of excitement to your underwater adventure. Sanganeb isn't just about nature. It's also great for wreck diving. On the seafloor are old shipwrecks, now covered in coral and home to sea life. These wrecks from the 19th and 20th centuries give us a look into the past, telling stories of sea adventures. They remind us of the power of the ocean and how short human life can be. Exploring these underwater time capsules is an amazing experience, connecting us to history and showing how nature can turn man-made things into thriving ecosystems. North of Sanganeb is another amazing place, Dungonab Bay Mukawa Island Marine National Park. This park shows how diverse the Red Sea is, with many different ecosystems. Mangrove forests grow along the coast, their roots a safe place for young fish and crabs. Seagrass beds wave in the current, a good place for dugongs, those big, gentle sea creatures, and green turtles to eat. And then there are the beaches, beautiful stretches of sand where endangered green turtles come ashore to lay their eggs, continuing a cycle of life that's been happening for thousands of years. Dungonab Bay is famous for its dugongs, also called sea cows. These gentle plant eaters, related to elephants, are a special species for the park, showing how healthy the ecosystem is. Watching these graceful creatures swim through the water is a really special experience. But Dungonab has other amazing things too. Groups of dolphins often swim in the bay, their playful behavior a joy to watch. These smart creatures remind us of the magic under the surface and why we need to protect these special places.